How to use Revolut abroad. When using Revolut for international payments, you can opt for your physical debit card or virtual card. This provides the flexibility to conduct transactions abroad as if you were in your home country. If you possess funds in the local currency, you can directly pay the merchant in that currency. However, if your holdings are in a foreign currency, Revolut will handle the currency conversion using the real exchange rate. For instance, if you hold USD in Revolut and make a purchase in the EU, your dollars will be converted to euros during the transaction. As long as you stay within the monthly currency exchange limit of £1,000, there are no fees to worry about. If you exceed this limit, a fair usage of 0.5% may be applied, and there might be an additional charges on weekends. However, if the Revolut metal plan, there is no spending limit. For P2P transactions within the Revolut network, monthly restrictions do not apply. This allows you to freely transfer funds to other Revolut users, effortlessly request or send money, and conveniently split bills with friends using the Revolut app.